Welcome to the ArmaniTalks podcast. I'm your host, ArmaniTalks. In this podcast, I'm helping you level up your 5 soft skills: public speaking, storytelling, social dynamics, emotional intelligence, and creativity. 5 soft skills for you to change your life forever, skyrocket your confidence along the way. In today's episode, I'm going to be talking about why a lot of men love to pick up gardening later on in life. I would say gardening is one of the most practical hobbies out there. There was this one day I go in my backyard, I'm exploring it, and suddenly I see a lemon. And I think, wait, my backyard has a lemon tree? So I pull the lemon, I take it back into my house, I cut it in half, and yes, it's a lemon. It tastes pretty good. And I'm just thinking, wow, people who garden have this built in factory in their backyard where they can get food and they can use this food for specific dishes. If you go to a guy and you say, hey, dude, for your recent birthday, I got you flowers, they're going to look at you like, what am I going to do with flowers? But let's say their mouse for their laptop keeps on acting up and you got them a new mouse. They're going to say, wow, thank you. This is so useful. Men love useful gifts. And similarly, with gardening, it is a useful hobby. It's not something like collecting coins and collecting action figures, and it's not producing any results. Instead, when a guy is investing in a garden, it is producing results. Men love results. And that's one of the reasons a lot of men later on in their life start to pick up gardening. It is a powerful task because it allows you to connect more with nature and it allows you to produce things that you can actually use on your favorite dishes. Gardening is a powerful skill set, and I believe it is going to be a hobby that I pick up as I get older. Thank you very much for joining me, and I'll catch you next time.